Buckets. You can get another 20.
Hey, this isn't a public place.
Oh, buckets.
This is a one-party state because I don't consent.
Winner of the TV with 8 points is Mitch.
Yeah.
You might have to have
Very nice. All right, this is the first place. Look at that.
well, actually, so
Beautiful design.
Tell you which one's most valuable. I'm sure he's got
Could.
a spreadsheet.
I could.
next one's gonna be coming behind you here shortly. All right, 7, 8 here.
Rock, paper, scissors. What'd you get? Arlo. Bingo.
We got a bunch of people here.
All right, wonder.
I had to see which AirPods these are, right?
What'd you get, Blake? I'd be national too.
How did you who figured this out? How did you know I needed one of these?
We all did. We all just knew you.
Remember those lawnmower blades you gave me?